The age-old debate of whether guy-girl friendships can exist without romantic feelings is common, but in reality, many men and women have close friendships without any hidden attraction. Studies show that most people have non-romantic friendships with the opposite sex, with benefits like meeting social needs and gaining new perspectives. While men may be more likely to feel attracted to their female friends, it doesn't necessarily mean that they want a romantic relationship. Male-female friendships are becoming more normal as all genders interact in various areas of life. Signs of a purely platonic friendship include supporting each other's romantic relationships, using terms like bro or friend, and not exhibiting flirtatious behavior. Observing their behavior when they're apart and seeking input from their close friends can help determine the nature of their relationship. Ultimately, trust is key in understanding and respecting the boundaries of friendships between men and women.